Neuralink, the brain implant startup founded by Elon Musk, has been granted FDA clearance to initiate groundbreaking surgery procedures. This marks a significant milestone for the company as they prepare to implant a computer device the size of a quarter into the brains of willing volunteers. The surgery involves a surgical robot inserting a series of electrodes and ultra-thin wires, providing the ability to monitor and analyze brain activity. The data retrieved will be wirelessly transmitted to a nearby laptop or tablet. Over the past few years, multiple companies and research teams have developed brain implants that allow patients to perform basic tasks using their thoughts. However, Neuralink, led by Elon Musk, has set itself apart by making grandiose promises of creating human-machine hybrids capable of downloading knowledge and even achieving symbiosis with artificial intelligence. While Musk's track record of turning improbable dreams into reality is commendable, neural implants require a level of perfection that cannot be rushed. Although Neuralink has gained significant attention compared to previous academic research in the field, there have been valid concerns raised about the company's claims and practices. Some neuroscientists accuse Neuralink of exaggerating the technology's capabilities, while animal rights groups criticize the company for its treatment of test subjects. These concerns are not unfounded, especially considering Musk's online persona, which has been increasingly erratic and reactive. However, despite the valid concerns, Neuralink's upcoming trial is also filled with excitement. The company has made significant advancements in a field that has traditionally progressed slowly. It has developed the world's most powerful and elegant brain implant, which, if successful, could drastically improve the lives of millions of people suffering from various neurological conditions. Moreover, Neuralink's high profile has attracted the attention of investors, who are eager to identify the next groundbreaking company in this arena. Once again, Musk has reshaped an entire industry, potentially in the most transformative way yet. The history of brain implants can be traced back to the technological advancements of the 1990s. In simple terms, thoughts trigger specific patterns of neuron firing in the brain, and these patterns exhibit some consistency across individuals. For example, when a person thinks about moving their arms and fingers, the same neurons fire, regardless of their physical ability to move. This consistency extends to other actions, such as moving a cursor on a computer screen or even speaking. Even if a person is unable to physically speak, a well-trained computer can interpret their intent based on the neuron activity and potentially speak on their behalf. The challenge lies in decoding and translating these neural patterns into meaningful actions, which requires extensive data analysis and understanding of the connections between neurons and thoughts. To obtain the clearest signals, it is crucial to place sensors as close to the neurons as possible. While some researchers have attempted to avoid invasive surgery by placing their devices outside the skull, this approach has yielded less accurate results due to increased distance and interference. The most precise data is obtained from electrodes positioned alongside brain cells. Neuralink's implant is much more sophisticated and versatile than previous devices. It sits seamlessly beneath the scalp, flush with the skull, and is equipped with powerful computing capabilities. The company envisions a future where the implant enables high-speed typing and seamless cursor control. Neuralink has also been working on a spinal implant to restore movement and sensation in paralyzed individuals. What sets Neuralink apart is its commitment to in-house manufacturing. The company produces its own semiconductors designed specifically for low-power, low-heat applications. It even converted a former axe-throwing bar into a manufacturing line and testing center. This approach allows Neuralink to tailor its implants to meet their unique needs and ensures faster development. Neuralink's surgical robot is another crucial component of their technology. It performs the delicate task of placing electrode-laced wires, called threads, into the brain. The robot's precision and accuracy minimize the risk of damage to surrounding tissue. Neuralink's threads are thin, pliable, and sturdy, coated in a special polymer for long-lasting performance. Musk's hands-on management style pushes the Neuralink team to constantly innovate and improve their technology. While his demands can be challenging, his expertise and vision inspire confidence in the team. With a sense of urgency, Neuralink aims to overcome technical hurdles and bring their implant to human trials before artificial intelligence becomes too advanced. Synchron's technology, called the Syntrode, offers a non-invasive alternative to skull-cutting procedures. This small, stent-like device can be inserted into a brain's blood vessel through the patient's vascular system. While the hardware may not achieve optimal signal quality by sitting directly on neurons, it has already allowed paralyzed patients to navigate web pages and send messages on WhatsApp. Elon Musk, the CEO of Neuralink, expressed his desire to surpass Synchron's Syntrode and implant the device in dozens of people next year. However, Musk's lieutenants were not pleased. They had to inform Musk that the FDA insisted on waiting at least a year after the first surgery before proceeding with further implants in patients. Musk found this unacceptable and remarked that regulators often say one thing but ultimately base their decisions on patient feedback. He believed that if patients advocated for the device and reported no complications, the FDA would quickly approve more implants. He even compared the situation to SpaceX's rocket tests, suggesting that positive reviews and support from patients could influence the FDA's decision-making process. During another meeting, Musk directed his attention towards another company called Onward, known for its spinal implants that help reanimate muscles and enable paralyzed individuals to walk again. Musk emphasized the need for faster progress within Neuralink and urged his engineering team, notably Joseph O'Doherty, to step up the pace. O'Doherty assented to Musk's demands, and the meeting continued with a detailed presentation on Neuralink's progress, including videos of pigs with spinal implants walking on treadmills. Musk actively participated in the discussion, proposing potential improvements to create a more natural gait for the animals. Musk's unconventional ideas sometimes seemed impractical, but they often proved effective. For example, his advice led to a 50% increase in manufacturing speeds and a decrease in defects for the semiconductor engineers. The team working on spinal implants also went back to refine their methods based on Musk's feedback. Bernd Holtz, one of Musk's employees, dedicated significant effort to meeting Musk's demands. Neuralink eventually received FDA approval to conduct additional implant trials without a year-long evaluation period, thanks to the interest expressed by thousands of prospective patients. The company projected significant revenue from the surgeries, estimating the cost per surgery at $10,500 and charging insurers approximately $40,000. Neuralink anticipated performing more surgeries each year, with numbers increasing dramatically from 499 in 2027 to 22,204 by 2030, as indicated in investor documents. In one final plea for urgency, Musk stressed the need to accelerate progress to keep human implant technology competitive with potential artificial superintelligence that could threaten humanity. He emphasized the urgency and commitment required to achieve their goals. However, Neuralink faced scrutiny and criticism regarding their treatment of animal test subjects, drawing attention to complications, side effects, and suffering experienced by primates. Neuralink recognized that mistakes were made during early surgeries but attributed them to human error rather than equipment issues. The company highlighted improvements made to its testing facilities, aiming to provide better living conditions for the animals involved. Multiple rhesus macaque monkeys at Neuralink's facility in Fremont have undergone brain implants and are still active and healthy, while others have retired or were euthanized as part of planned procedures. The monkeys play an essential role in demonstrating the functionality of Neuralink's devices and surgical robots. They also contribute to the company's thought translator by participating in computer games. Visitors to the animal facility adhere to strict safety protocols and are briefed on how to interact with the animals. The monkeys have spacious playpens filled with toys, trees, and playground equipment, along with music and nature programs playing in the background. One intriguing aspect is that the monkeys spend a few hours each day in front of computers, where their minds are read and analyzed. They engage in various games involving joysticks, touch screens, and brain-controlled clicking. Neuralink, unlike contract research centers, takes a more humane approach in their work with animals. Instead of subjecting them to cruel experiments involving deprivation and discomfort, Neuralink's monkeys enjoy snacks like fruit and smoothies while they work and have the freedom to stop whenever they want. They even have the ability to choose their food and entertainment using iPads. Sorrells, a spokesperson for Neuralink, emphasizes their focus on fast progress, as it would be unethical not to prioritize the development of life-altering devices for humans.